Hello, welcome, guys and gals. This is the weekend video, and don't know why I have to tell you that, but you know that already. This is Friday evening, Friday afternoon. It's time to get videoing. As normal, I'm going to go through the markets and see what has happened this week and how it may affect next week. So we have the Dow moving lower again. Let's get to. I'm tracking a 1-2, 1-2, and a possible 3 levels of 1-2 here. So, well, 2 in place. Wave 1 down in green, wave A, B, C up in wave 2. Pretty nice impulsive move today off, or sorry, this week off a reasonable, let's say, uh, or let's say a minimum target wave C. So we had a wave A up, a running flat wave B, and a spike to a possible new high or a high, a very slight new high in wave C, and then a real smackdown off that high. So whether you count wave A as this top here, so that would be 3 waves up in wave A, and then some sort of move lower in wave B, and then a spike up in wave C, or you get wave A there and a running flat wave B, and then that spike into wave C. I'm reasonably confident that the break of this interim low here has kind of ruled out alternatives for the moment. We seem to have a 3-wave, a nice 5-wave move lower, and then we seem to be nearing the end or have just completed a 3-wave correction to a lower high. I was looking at about 25,800, and we pushed up to that level this morning in the futures, and then we've sold off in the cash market this morning. So, or cash, who uses cash when they're trading anymore? It's all leverage. But anyway, that's what we'll call it. I am moving towards kind of, let's say, full bearish mode again, and with the idea that next week will bring in a possible third wave decline. And if we get an impulsive break of 25,000 again, that's pretty much what's on the cards. So next week could be a crash. First of all, I would think that we'd form another lower high in wave 1 and 2, and I'd like to see this downward sloping trend line hold in place. And 25,000 or 2570 I have marked there is the low to watch for the moment. Okay, so we possibly have 1-2 in place, and well, let's see how the trade unfolds today. I mean, this evening we should be able to discern a little more of what's grasping the market, but we've had a kind of failure to launch this week, so we could be moving into a further selling phase. So watch out for that next week. Here's gold. We're falling again today, and I think this is probably wave C down like I've been expecting. Let's get that into shape. Wave C of either A or wave C of even the larger wave 4. I have shown an alternate count here with an A wave down and then possible 3 waves to form a new high in an expanded flat. Still kind of jury's out on that for the moment. It's the move off the wave B high today has been pretty sharp, reasonably sharp. So it's reasonable, I think, to suggest that wave C down is already underway now, and we should get a break of wave A at 1480. So for now, possible 3 waves down in wave A, and maybe we'll move up again in wave B next week. But I think we'll probably churn for a little in the gold market. And if we do that, the longer, let's say, that we don't accelerate lower in this larger wave 4, then the smaller I think that this larger wave 4 is going to be. We have pretty heavy support here at 1400. So we'll see how the pattern unfolds. For the next week or so, anyway, I'm still kind of eyeing the downside in gold. Okay, get that action. Okay, so that does it for now. Have a great weekend. Thanks so much for being with me, and God bless. And we'll see you Monday evening. Bye bye.